Hello friends, welcome to your channel Bro Pro India ka. Today I am talking about Tube Mastery and Monetization. How I run 9 different profitable YouTube channel and make 6 figure from them. Introducing Tube Mastery and Monetization. Tube Mastery and Monetization teaches how to start, grow and monetize a hyper profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. It does not matter if you don't have any tech skill or any previous business experience. Everything you need to know is provided step by step in this training program. My exact strategy. In this complete course, I teach my exact strategy for starting YouTube channel from scratch and show you how I started a YouTube channel and grew it having 5 lakh subscribers in just 1 year. I hold nothing back as I show you secret algorithm growth hack, tips and strategy for growing quickly and going viral that I have not seen taught anywhere is online. So what exciting member have to say? Here are the members which are earning lot of by this strategy. When you join Tube Mastery and Monetization, you get full and immediate access to module number 1, overview of the blueprint, the 3 stages to YouTube, beta phase, choosing a niche and planning your content, intermediate phase, uploading 33 videos, scaling phase, outsourcing the work, module 2, choosing a niche, ways of going about YouTube, the best high CPM niches, doing market research, bonus list of 100 plus profitable niches, overview of choosing a niche, my secret keyword process, module 3, setting up your channel for success, the 33 rule and how to use it, the best YouTube tools every made, my secret CEO keyword process, planning your content strategy, module 4, uploading videos, anatomy of a viral video, how to systematize your video, where to find free content, how to edit video for free, making high click-through rate thumbnail. Module 5, the growth module, understanding YouTube analytics and the algorithm, how to truly go viral on YouTube, breaking the biggest myth and misconception and laying down some truth, the best time of day to upload. Module 6, the monetization module, how to make more money than most YouTubers, the many way of monetizing your channel, my personal favorite way of making money utilization YouTube. Module 7, scaling your channel, hiring one person to do all the content creation, making video creation assembly line, bonus in the blank script for finding and hiring employees. Here the summary of everything you get. This is not your typical course. We provide you with everything you need to be successful. The complete Tube Mastery and Monetization program. So you can start profitable YouTube channel and have all the necessary skill needed to start with the right niche and then take the channel to next level. Instant access to the Tube Mastery Mastermind group, so you can strategies and get help from previous student and help from Matt Per himself. List of 100 plus profitable niches plus example channel. To make sure you choose the absolute best niche, for make sure that you have already chosen a good niche, we give you a list of over 100 different profitable niches and profitable example channels in many of those niches that you can clone for yourself. Fill in the blank video script template. We also throw in fill in the blank video script templates to help you systematize your video. This will also make outsourcing your content easier down the line as well. A making video script yourself a breeze. We give you both personal brand channel and list channel template. So do you want to live your dream? Check out the description which given below. Thanks.